Hi everyone, my name is Taylor and I am a mom of two girls and I work from home. I started in 2019 when I started my own Pinterest management business, and I grew from there, adding different streams of income to replace my full-time income. So in this video, we are going to be talking about 5 ways that you can start making money online and working from home. Before we get started, if you are interested in this video, go ahead and click the thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you can get more information, more videos about making money from home, working online, and other wonderful mom lifestyle content. So, all right, let's get started and go into the video. Okay, so number 1 on the list is starting your own virtual assistant business, which falls under social media manager, Pinterest manager, graphic designer, bookkeeping. Virtual assistant is the large term, and then those other individualized professions fall under that. I do have a video real quick on how to start a virtual assistant business, which is in the suggested card on the top. So if you want to check that out now or later, go ahead and go that way. As a virtual assistant, you can make a small amount of money or a large amount of money. It's a really cool online business that you can start for yourself, and then you can eventually narrow down into the tasks that you really enjoy doing. As a virtual assistant, again, starting rates can go anywhere from $20 an hour to $60 an hour, just depending on what you're providing and the value you are giving to your clients. It is a really great business. I loved having a virtual assistant / Pinterest manager business. It was really fun. I loved working with the clients that I worked with. So definitely check it out. I know people making $3,000 per month, $5,000, $7,000, $10,000 a month. Obviously, when you get higher up, you are more building out like an agency and you have team members below you. But it's totally possible to grow a virtual assistant business from $500 a month to $10,000 a month if that's what you want to do. Option number 2 is starting your own Etsy shop. So obviously most people know what Etsy is. It is a online retailer for small businesses where you can sell so many different things. You can sell your own handmade, knitting, crochet type of stuff. You can sell apparel, coffee mugs, coffee tumblers. That's super popular. You can sell, wall decor, wooden signs. That's super popular. You can even sell digital products, digital templates, social media graphic templates, coloring book templates, all different types of stuff, and that stuff is really cool because that's passive income and you just create it once and you don't have to ship it out or anything, and it's a very low investment for creating a digital template shop on Etsy. So that's another option as well. Etsy shops can do really well. The only con as an Etsy shop is that you don't technically own your shop space. Etsy does. So if you violate any of their terms, they can technically just close your shop down. So that's something to look out as well. But I know a lot of people who have Etsy shops and they do really well and they haven't had any issues with it. And with Etsy, that's all up to you. You have to then, it's not just creating the Etsy shop, putting your products on there, and you're gonna get all these sales. You need to make sure you are marketing your shop on different social media networks, on your own website. You can have your own website and blog about it and bring traffic there. You can have a Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Etsy shops do really well on TikTok as well, so definitely take that in consideration. But that's definitely another money-making thing that obviously it's not going to happen overnight, but you can definitely build it up and start making an income from that, and it's a really cool idea. So number 3 on the list is starting your own blog. So you can have a lifestyle blog. There's a lot of people who have mom blogs that talk about, mom life, mom lifestyle, and then they talk about parenting and home decor and beauty and all that other stuff. That's a really popular niche, is just lifestyle in general. So that way you can talk about all these different things, and then that way you have your options open for like brand deals and content that you want to talk about in the future, and you don't have to like rebrand and change things. But another thing, you can just niche down into a specific category. Maybe you want to talk about travel or local travel. Maybe you want to start your own local website for, you know, like Moms of Nashville or something. I'm sure there's plenty of like Moms of Nashville websites and blogs, but that's just an example of ways you can do that. Or you can talk about, you can start a food blog, a fashion blog, all these other things, something that you're interested in, because if you're going to start a blog and your goal is to make money off it eventually, you want to be interested in the content that you're talking about. So make sure it's something that you actually enjoy and find interested. But as far as starting a blog and growing it, you can make money off of eventually getting enough traffic and applying to different ad networks, and you can make money off of your traffic there. You can start selling your own physical or digital products on your website. You can do affiliate marketing, which we'll talk about because that will lead into our next option. You can work with different brands, get sponsored post deals, different brand deals, stuff like that. The goal of starting your blog is to be interested in what you are talking about and get that traffic to your website, which getting traffic to your website, the best ways is to either really dive into SEO. That way your posts start showing up in Google and you're getting traffic organically from Google, or really diving into Pinterest, because Pinterest is a great way to grow traffic and bring new traffic to your website and your blog. So definitely, if you're gonna start a blog, definitely look into those two avenues. As a previous Pinterest manager, I love Pinterest, and it does so well for websites. So definitely check out Pinterest for driving more traffic to your website. Our next option is affiliate marketing. This is a huge and growing industry. Affiliate marketing is a really great way to make passive sales while you do the work up front, and it just keeps coming in after you have set up your different funnels through social networks, through your website, through your blog, through your email list. There's so many different ways. So integrating affiliate marketing with your blog is a really great idea. You can write a blog post. Maybe you have a company that if you link your personal affiliate link to your blog post and someone purchases off of your link, you get like a 20% commission. So, you know, you have a $100 product that you're advertising, someone buys it, you just earn $20 off of just someone clicking it and buying it through your link, which is really cool. Another way is through TikTok. You may have seen, if you're on TikTok, you might see like Amazon finds accounts. So these are TikTok accounts that literally people just post different Amazon products that they have found on Amazon, and these videos are really cool and they kind of go viral, and those people will have like a link in their profile, and you'll click on it and it'll be like, you know, here's a link to this X product, and there's a bunch of links to different products that they are advertising on their TikTok. And so someone sees something that's really cool, they click on the link, they're like, I'm gonna buy it, they click on the link in their profile and they purchased it. And this person that is running this account then gets, again, a commission, because a certain percentage commission, because someone clicked on their link, purchased it, all through their account. So TikTok's a really great way, again, if you want to have like a niche TikTok account about a certain thing, and you can grow and make videos go viral a lot easier than any other social media platform, at least currently. So TikTok's a really great way if you want to do like a specific niche TikTok account. Another great way is to grow your email list, whether you have a blog and you're a blogger and you grow an email list through that, or you have your own business or whatever. Grow your email list. Make sure you're consistent with your email list. I'm not saying spam your email list every time you send out an email with all these different affiliate links, but you know, it's just like another form of communication with your audience, another form of visibility for your business or whatever you're having. And so by having an email list, you can you know, connect with your audience. And like I said, every so often you can, you know, link your affiliate links within your email list. Maybe whatever you're talking about, you can be like, oh, by the way, I have this product I wanted to show you, and then you link it. And I mean, you grow your email list, you connect with your audience, they trust you. And that is your goal, is to build an audience that trusts you and that enjoys following you and enjoys what you have to say. And you can promote products that you actually enjoy using. So, I mean, there can be a very moral code on affiliate marketing. Some people will just promote any product they can get their hands on, and that's not the goal. Obviously, you want to make money, but you also want your audience to continue to trust you. So you want to promote products that you know are good, that you know can be helpful to them, and you don't want to steer people the wrong way. So definitely make sure that you are putting out a trustworthy product when you're promoting something. And yeah, so there's definitely a lot to affiliate marketing, but if you have the right avenue, the right audience, you can definitely do really well with it, especially if you get a hold of different like high ticket products and high ticket commission products that you can make larger amounts of money off of as well. Number 5 is creating different designs and products on like those print on demand websites. My favorite is called Redbubble. Most of you have probably heard of it. If you haven't, it's just a website you can go to. People can go and purchase different products with people's designs on it, or as an artist or a creator, you can create designs, publish them into different products. So for instance, I have created a bunch of designs and publish them as like stickers. So every so often, I don't have a ton of designs on there, but like every so often I'll get an email and it'll be like, oh, someone purchased your sticker, you earned X amount of dollars or cents. If it's like a small sticker, obviously it's only like 20 or 50 cents or something like that. But you can also create your designs and put them on t-shirts, coffee mugs, tote bags, mouse pads, hats, tumblers. There's so many different products on Redbubble, but essentially the easiest way, or how I do it, is I go on Canva. I went through, like, Redbubble has their own dimensions guide. You can go on there and it'll tell you like what dimensions your design needs to be for, you know, if you're making stickers or if you're making coffee mugs, stuff like that. And you can easily just create your own designs, and it's just really cool. And the whole process of Redbubble posting designs on there is that you want to keep creating designs, because the more designs you post, the more likelihood that people are going to see your content. Probably more of your content is pushed out if you're consistent with the platform. If you keep posting new designs, Redbubble wants you to get more sales, so you then start creating more designs for them and posting it on their website. Again, Redbubble isn't like a huge like, oh, I'm going to make $1 million in a month from this website. It's definitely a really cool website to start making side income and just to start your online like small business entrepreneur journey, and eventually kind of like shift off onto your own and stuff like that. So definitely check that out. It'd be a really cool way, especially for stay-at-home parents and teenagers, to start making, you know, some side income, and that don't have all the time to spend on like a full-blown like work at home online business and stuff like that. So definitely check Redbubble out, or some other print on demand websites, because they're all very similar, but I really do like using Redbubble because I've used it before. So those are 5 different work from home jobs, 5 different work from home money-making activities that you can start looking into, that you can start today. They're really cool opportunities and definitely ways that you can start making money from home. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Let me know what your favorite idea is, or maybe you are already making money doing something else. I would love to hear about it. And again, if you like this video, go ahead and click the thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click subscribe. And I would just love to connect with you and love to hear from you as well. So I will talk to you soon.